Hi Abigail, thank you for your question. 7.3.129. This question is asking you to find the distance between 2 points, and in this specific problem, they gave you variables instead of simply numbers. So in this case, you're going to have to use the rule for the distance, and I'm going to show you the example on how they do it, and you'll be able to apply it to your specific coordinates. We do know that the distance between any 2 points that have coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 is equal to this equation right here, which is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So all you're going to have to do is just treat this entire thing as x1, and this is as y1. This entire thing right here, x plus y, as x2, and then y as y2. So you can write on the side, if you want, in your notebook while you're solving this, that x1 equals x minus y. It might be a little bit confusing because the terms that are used are the same, but this is how you treat it. And y1 is simply minus x. All right, you're going to go ahead and substitute these values in here. So x2 is x plus y, it's right there, minus x1, which is x minus y, so this is how they put it here, that entire thing raised to the power of 2. Then plus y2, which is simply y, minus y1, which is negative x. That whole thing is raised to the power 2. So now you're going to get rid of the parentheses, and when you do that, you're going to have x plus y minus x plus y. So x minus x will cancel, and then y plus y, because they have the same variable, you will add them up, and that would give you 2y. Y plus x will stay as is squared. You're just going to expand and see. If I expand, am I going to have similar variables? Yes, you do have y squared and y squared here, so you can add these two because you have the same variable raised to the same power. So that will be 5y squared plus 2xy plus x squared. All of that is under the radical. You're going to do the same thing for here. I hope this is clear. I hope this answers your question. If you still have any more questions, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to assist you even further. Thank you so much for your question.